Hi everyone, it's Gina. Today I'm going to show you how to make some fun and festive St. Patrick's Day decorations using recycled household items. The first design uses plastic bottles and paper tubes. Draw a shape on the paper tube as shown here and cut out. You will need 13 tubes in all different lengths. Glue 5 tubes to a piece of cardboard. Cut the top off of 4 water bottles, all in different lengths. Glue them together so they become one unit. Glue a second layer of tubes onto the cardboard. Don't glue on the water bottles because they will need to be removed. Paint everything green and add sequins and glitter. Accent the cardboard with moss and flowers. Add lights under the water bottles to make your Emerald City come alive. Create a yellow brick road from craft foam and a brown marker. This beautiful Emerald City is perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Wait till you see what you can do with a reused tissue box. Remove the plastic and paint the tissue box green. Glue on decorative ribbon. Draw heart shapes on the craft foam shamrock using 3-dimensional paint. Aren't these pretty? We're going to use the same technique for a design I will be showing you later. Glue the shamrock to the front of the tissue box and a shamrock accent I got from the Dollar Tree. Place a piece of floral foam I got from the Dollar Tree inside the box and fill with flowers. These I also got from Dollar Tree. Isn't this beautiful? I love this design. The next design uses a paper towel tube. Tape a rock to the bottom part of a paper tube. This will weigh it down so it doesn't wobble. Cut a piece of scrapbooking paper the length of the paper tube and wrap around. Cut out the free pattern for the hat and cut out and felt. Cut out the buckle out of sparkly craft foam. Glue the felt pieces onto a paper towel roll to make the hat. Glue on ribbon and the buckle. Attach orange yarn to make the beard and glue on the nose. Glue on the hat, and now you have an adorable St. Patrick's Day gnome. Paint a mini terracotta pot green. Cut out a buckle shape out of craft foam and paint gold. Glue on black ribbon to the pot. Cut out a round shape out of craft foam. Use a warm, dry iron to heat the craft foam and mold it to shape the brim. Glue all the pieces together to make a super cute leprechaun hat candle holder. Did you know you could easily paint Dollar Tree tea lights to match your decorations? Choose the acrylic paint color that you'd like and paint the tea light. Wasn't that easy? You can easily turn an inexpensive hat into a beautiful St. Patrick's Day decoration or a wearable hat. Use ribbon to accent the hat along with flowers and accents from the Dollar Tree. I made a bow out of ribbon loops, and I added a flower. Glue the flower onto the hat and accent with feathers. I just love this hat. Use these wood squares to make this fun St. Patrick's Day sign. I decorated them with scrapbooking paper, wooden letters, and accents. This is a beautiful decoration that can be hung or placed on a table. This pot of gold is so easy to make by painting a cardboard basket and gluing rainbow ribbon onto the handle. You can easily turn a pot into a pot of gold. Paint it black, add a piece of cardboard a curved rainbow shape, paint it into a rainbow, and add accents. I filled it with cookies and candy coins. Use the shamrocks you painted earlier to make a decorative display. This is perfect for chocolate-covered strawberries. Use ribbon, rhinestones, and feathers to make a beautiful St. Patrick's Day mask. Glue beads to the base of the glass for St. Patrick's Day glasses. Look around your house. You can do things like add green lights to vases and flowers for a decoration. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye!